What's up, peeps? Thanks for joining me. My name's Damon Warren, and on this channel, I go on adventures and I share my tech information. Today, doing an unboxing. The DJI Pocket 2. Here's the 1 and the 2. So we're gonna unbox it, see what's compatible, what's not compatible with these two, and there we go. There we go. Let's see what we got in the box here. The Pocket 2, cover, lightning adapter, USB-C, wrist strap, power cable, mini control stick, and a tripod mount. Okay, opens up like that. Oh, that's nice. So here's the first one, and there's the second one. You can notice a little difference in the color right there, the kind of like motor in the back. There's also, see this strap right here? There's no strap on this one. And you can see inside the case, it's got the cushions and it's a place for holding your adapters right inside the case. And right there, you actually have a 1/4 inch. Okay, so now they have moved the power button. With the new one, it's on the side. I do like having a separate button for the power on the side. The microphones have been moved, so now they are closer up to the neck, because one of the problems was if you're holding in your hand and you don't have anything attached to the bottom or anything, you were covering the microphone on the older one. They have moved it and they have added more microphones. So that's good. And you got this box right here. So let's see what's in this box. This is the handle. So this is a changeable handle you get with this one. So this is in a bottom that you can put on it, which has the 1/4 inch, and it also has a pass-through for your USB-C. On the previous one, you had to add something in order to get your 1/4 inch. So what do we got here? This is the new jog wheel. So you can literally slide this on and you can use this little to position it. So that's the little jog wheel thingy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna activate it and then come back. Okay, so we're back. I'm back. And here are my first impressions. The lens, definitely better. I had the older one and this one side by side, and you can definitely see a wider field of view, which is great. So that in itself is nice. The other bottom piece, the one with the tripod, now you can put it on, but it's recessed. So what happens when it's recessed is that, like this Wi-Fi adapter that I have, I'm using the old one, and in order to use this one, I had to not put the bottom piece on, but it works fine. This little wheel right here is awesome. You double tap to change the different modes. You can actually go into lock modes, follow, FPV, so you can do all your adjustments right there on this. This stick is how you actually do the zoom. So I was actually doing dolly zooms with it. Great, it was probably the best way to do it because it was right there on my thumb. So when you put the extension piece on there with the 1/4 inch right there, that's where your USB is. So if I want to mount this on I usually mount it on like a selfie stick or something like that, and then I'll run a long USB that I have. I have a USB-C to lightning, and then I have the remote control, so instead of using a Wi-Fi remote, I can hardwire it. But with this, I can't do it, because if I put this here it's blocked unless I get a longer extension. And this cage that I was using before for the one does not fit on the two because the two has a longer neck. So this will not work on there, but the Wi-Fi does work. Definitely some good improvements. I am really happy that my filter works on there. So this is going to allow me to actually use it more. And with this jog wheel, slides right in there. This is definitely going to be something to throw back in my repertoire. Let me know if you got one of these and what you think. And remember, take care of each other. Peace out, and I'll see you all soon.